You know the words, but they just don't come out smoothly. I'll show you 4 proven techniques to improve your English fluency. First up, let's talk about shadowing native speakers. This is a powerful way to train your brain to think in English. Start by choosing a podcast or audiobook in English. Pick something at your level or just slightly above it. While listening, try to mimic the speaker. Repeat what they are saying exactly how they say it. Pay attention to their tone, rhythm, and pronunciation. Now, let's practice together to better understand what I explained.
Excuse me, how much is this blue jacket?
Let me see. It's $150.
Wow, that's expensive. Can I try it on?
Of course. What size are you?
Small, I think.
Okay. The mirror's over there.
Thanks.
Can I help you?
I'm just looking.
Okay. Let me know if you need any help.
Well, maybe you can help me. I'm looking for a jacket. The blue jacket in the window. It's for my boyfriend.
What size is he?
Medium, I think.
Let me check. You're lucky. It's the last one.
Oh, how much is it?
It's $150.
Wow, that's cheap. Thank you.
Here you are. You can pay over there.
Record yourself while shadowing. Don't worry, you don't have to sound perfect at first. The goal is to hear your own progress over time. Compare your recording to the original and notice where you can improve. It's like having a personal coach yourself. If you'd like to practice, watch the previous video again and this time record your own voice. Shadowing is a great starting point, but what if you want to push your fluency even further? That's where speaking challenges come in. Setting challenges for yourself keeps learning fun and productive. Here are 2 challenges that work wonders. Repeat the sentences. Take any sentences you hear, maybe from a TV show or YouTube video, and repeat it several times. This helps you build confidence and muscle memory for speaking. Change the tenses. Take a sentence and say it in different tenses. For example, if the sentence is, I ate breakfast, try saying, I ate breakfast. I will eat breakfast. This practice boosts your grammar and flexibility. For example,
my aunt used to live in Paris.
My aunt used to live in Paris. Ali used to live in Paris. My father will live in Paris. My mother lived in Paris 2 years ago. My sister is going to live in Paris. Now that you're getting comfortable with speaking, let's level up by focusing on something called chunks. What are they? Let me explain. Chunks are small groups of words that naturally go together, like at the end of the day, or I'd like to. Mastering chunks can make you sound much more natural. Instead of learning single words, focus on learning these word groups. For example, instead of just learning make, learn make a decision, make an effort. How to focus on chunks. To practice, listen to native speakers and write down the chunks they use. Then, practice saying these chunks out loud. Try to use them in your daily conversations. It'll make your English flow like magic. Speaking of conversations, sometimes the best way to improve is to push yourself out of your comfort zone. Learning happens when we challenge ourselves. Join English-speaking communities. Start by joining communities where English is the main language. Platforms like Facebook groups or italki are great places to connect with other learners or native speakers. You'll meet people who are also working on their fluency. Find a partner. Having a speaking partner makes learning so much easier and more enjoyable. You can practice conversations, share tips, and support each other on your language journey. Don't be afraid to talk to others. Most importantly, don't let fear stop you. It's okay to make mistakes. It's how we learn. Every conversation, no matter how small, brings you one step closer to fluency. Now that you know these 4 techniques, it's time to put them into action. Improving your English fluency is all about practice, persistence, and patience. Which of these tips are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear about your journey. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.